Okay, go. Okay, go. Where'd I go? Okay, where'd I go? It's a good freaking load right there. Oh, we got the shirt. Got the shirt for the Scrapyard guy. Scrapyard deck, eh? Oh, just Led Zeppelin blaring, terrible. Oh, they're suffering. Get rid of this load, pick a truck up, drop it off, pick a truck up, bring her home. That's the plan. You coming? You coming with me? Don't get me. Don't get me. Look at that utility box. Oh, look. Need that. Looks like it's a short box one too. Good lord. 17,100. I figured it was going to be about 17.5. It can't be more than 18 just by the feel of the rig. You know what I mean? Yep, thanks. Bye. Right on, mister. $11,380.
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
Look at that.
You same.
Hmm?
You same.
Yeah, but these will be matching.
get to be the guy on the top with the bucket that's on a terrible angle. I get that one. No.
No?
No. I just have to. Oh, I did it. Okay, thank you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, where'd you go? Oh no, he left. He quit me. He took yellow bolts out of his tractor. Where did they come from? Those look like pump bolts. Oh no. He gone Dichter. I don't even know where he is.
You see the spring.
What are you looking at? You find
So
it?
right here. You see that where the spring's attached to this plate?
Yeah.
Right there is what I gotta. So I don't know if you can hold that thing up there. Let's see. I don't know how to get that off of there.
Gentle, you don't want to stretch the spring. Oh, shit.
Oh no. I think it's the pin that holds this.
That's the perfect place to drop that for sure. Well, there's the inside of a Pumpapini, boys, if you never noticed. Oh.
See something?
Yes.
What? A spring. Where was that?
It was just sitting right there.
Here? Oh, I heard it clicking. So, I don't know how to do this. How the f do you get that back in?
Right.
Here, the spring's
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
Not unless it's this one.
Right.
That
So you
thing's
got
straight
you
out.
got like the way you've got it positioned down in that way, and that hook is going up, and that one's going this way, right? You got that.
Yeah,
This is straight.
that looks right.
The rub spot's right there. That rub's right there.
Okay,
Right.
and that'll go up there.
Just like that. How do we get roped into these things, boys? I got it. I got it.
Got it off?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just fingernailed it. Okay, so that should be in there. There we go, it's in there now.
You sure?
Yeah,
Doesn't really matter.
I felt it and click in, and then you can, here, hold on.
Here, be quiet for a minute. Well, this should, in theory,
Be fixed. Decent. How much was that?
$79.
No, the casket kit.
$24.
Probably pissed more than 24 bucks for the fuel on the ground
Guaranteed.
every 10 minutes.
$24.
sakes. That's like the gasket on the dump truck. It was $40.
Yeah.
And I mean, the fucking thing just pouring like a liter of oil out. Yeah, like, man, what's wrong with you?
Yeah. Oh, that's real good. I like that. That makes me super happy.
Yeah, big time. Now I get to borrow it.
No leaking fuel everywhere.
Okay, buddy.
Right,
Smoke cigarettes. Oh. We did it with Tractor Fitcher Schmitz. It's got a dent in it too. Right on. Have a good night. For sure.